up, y'all? It's me.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Say. Gonna be like a Che, right? But you're a knockoff version of Che, so you gotta improvise. But all of these Bandlab presets, they all whack. You got. Let me give you an example. You got all these other presets, and they do this. They do it like that destroys your ears. You can't find the perfect preset, but I got the super duper preset for y'all. The 26 signs preset. What you gotta do? You gotta turn that auto all the way up. And then you start recording. Add some spaz to your vocals.